Welcome to the Antunes Chef Challenge. I'm Joe Arvin, the corporate chef for Antunes. We're here in Carroll Stream, Illinois, about to get wild with 7 of the most extraordinary chefs from across the country. They're going to work with our equipment and they're going to show the versatility and ease of use. Here at Antunes, we have everything from toasters to grills to water filtration, all designed to handle your biggest challenges in your kitchen. Are you ready to turn challenge into success? Chefs, are we ready? Yeah! 1, 2,